Good morning, everybody. Like I told you in the last video, I told you we'd see you in the morning. We're going to go get the RX-7 and some of my tools. So I'm over here at Wyatt's place, just waiting for him like always. Always waiting for him. He says he's ready, and it takes him about 10 to 15 minutes to come out to the truck. Anyways, once Wyatt gets here, we'll figure out what we're going to do for some breakfast. Wyatt's going to help me move some stuff today, so I'm going to feed him, of course.
What's up, pendejo?
Dude, I wonder what's
better than effers.
Well, I know, but I wonder if YouTube will like not demonetize you, but like I wonder if they count that as a swear word, even though it's in Spanish.
I don't know.
I mean, it's
Maybe.
Not really. I'm gonna guess.
I couldn't tell you.
But good morning, Sleeping Beauty.
The hell we doing for food? I'm hungry.
That's what I'm saying, bro. There's not. I called Waffle House. They're closed.
I figured.
Honestly, bro, with the trailer, I don't know where we're gonna go through. Maybe like some Mickey D's.
Yeah, I'd be down with that.
I just don't know how we fit. Can we just walk through?
No. You have to go in and do carry out.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
You can go in still?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do that then.
But I don't know if they require a mask or not to go in.
Just pull my shirt up, it's alright.
Yeah, wouldn't be the first time that Chipotle walked in there like this. What's up, baby?
What's up, baby? As I talk to the Chipotle workers?
Yeah, Chipotle workers, that lady that we go to, she fine.
Oh, you idiot, bro. Alright, let's go get some food, you big dumb idiot.
Let's go.
Just got over to Kaz. Got the Grinch moved out because it was behind the RX-7. Got Wyatt trying to line the RX-7 up so we can shoot this thing in the trailer.
Fire it up, drive it on in, bro.
There you go, start her up, baby.
Start her up.
Get some starting fluid, no intake. Gotta grab some other parts and stuff from upstairs. I got the turbo up there and stuff, but yeah. Almost kind of forgot where I left off. I don't even know what still needs to be welded. I'm gonna have to look at everything again. Kind of sucks, but it's all good. Friggin' race car status, dude. Hopefully, hopefully in a month or two, it'll be ready to go. We'll hit the dyno, blow up a motor, and then build one.
I'm about it.
Just like last year, dude.
Yeah.
Hopefully not blow up a motor, but either way, yeah.
It's gonna be sick.
Yeah, I forget how many bars are in this thing, so.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's get her loaded up. Ah, man, I just forget how good it looks with the matching wheels up front. Looks
good.
Dude, get your butt out of here. Not that's for sure. Already got her all strapped in.
I did all of it.
Yep, Mr.
I strapped it, I pushed it in. I literally built the whole car.
Whatever, dude.
I did it.
Full of shit, but all right. McDonald's done messed us up. Barely pushed her up there.
Yeah.
Well, yep.
I had a hernia.
We gotta visit the old baño real quick, and then we're gonna, bathroom. Yeah, that's what bathroom is in Spanish. We're gonna learn you today, boy. Whew, I'm out of breath a little bit, but we got her loaded up. Let's head over to the shop. The floor is like deceivingly dusty from all the auto body stuff, I imagine. So this thing makes it look super big in here, but realistically, it's not that big in here. Probably do like 3 cars comfortably in here, right?
Yeah. I think 3 comfortably. I still have room to work.
I'd ask you what you thought about it, but you've already seen it.
Yeah.
So
what do you think
sucks.
of your lift?
I don't know.
Lift here?
Yeah. I mean, you were saying, I mean, it makes more sense like what you were saying. I was thinking kind of here by the door, but it does kind of, the one thing I hate about having the lift right by the door is it does like kind of block the doorway a little bit.
That,
so,
if you want to pull a car over there, it's really tricky to sneak it in around it.
Yeah, because then the post would be like way out in here, you know, just like, yeah, it'd be a nightmare.
I think
so
you do a lift here, and that way you can pull a car behind it.
Yeah.
And then you can also pull a car over here.
Yeah.
And
so
if you ever wanted 2 lifts for whatever reason, you could like put one in here diagonally.
Yeah.
You can have a car on that lift, car on this lift, and still pulling one behind it.
Yeah, even then, dude, like maybe I'll take this lift instead of putting it straight, maybe like have it diagonal like this too. Maybe not, just get as close to the wall as I can maybe.
I'd probably
but
sit close to the wall.
Yeah, so maybe put a lift here, and then if I ever did need another one, I could do it diagonally here. But either way, with the lift right there, like you said, like it's easy to just take a car and pull it in diagonal. I could put 2 cars diagonally right here and be really easy to work on them like that and keep it kind of free, so it's not like, yeah, super cluttered. But it sucks we couldn't be shop neighbors, but someday again we'll get a shop next to each other that's big enough.
It'd be, I would have done it, dude, if the shop next door had a bigger door and stuff.
Yeah.
It's just,
it's set up shitty is what, basically like what I was telling them. It's just set up shitty.
like we kind of rushed into the last shop we had, and it kind of didn't work the greatest, so I didn't want to do that again.
Yeah.
as much as I'd love to be over here and be able to work next door,
Well,
it's just not set up exactly how we want it.
Yeah.
And if we're going to be spending that kind of money a month, I kind of want it.
Yeah, realistically,
more better working for us. You know?
Yeah, what we need is like a 3,000 square foot warehouse that doesn't have a wall or none of this bullshit.
Right.
So like basically be like all this open, one bathroom,
Right.
2 big bay doors. That'd be perfect.
Yeah.
But which we can look for. But I mean, you already have a place, so
Right.
so
And
you're
that's
all
kind of where
good.
I was at, is like spending that kind of money a month when I already have a place that I can work out of.
Yeah.
That isn't ideal, but works good for what I do.
Yep. So didn't make sense for you, but made sense for me because I need a place to work on stuff for you guys and actually just have my own space.
Build up
It's,
some YouTube things.
yeah, it is gonna suck though because I'm gonna be a little bit lonely over here by myself.
You don't have to be lonely at fabricatorsonly.com.
.com. Sure. But yeah, I mean, we'll just have to hang out, go over places, whatnot, do race car stuff this summer. But yeah,
All about it.
I guess, dude. Well, thank you.
Of course.
I'll go drop you back off at home, and then I'll probably go over to Kyle's, grab some more of my little things, go over to Carlos's. I got stuff just everywhere right now. I got stuff at his place, stuff at Kyle's, stuff at Carlos's. Yeah. So it's gonna be a little bit of a trip. Oh, we gotta take this sticker off too. Drive an Audi.
Well, you're not an Audi mechanic.
Support your local McCann.
Manic.
We're idiots. But yeah, so let's go pick up the rest of the stuff and get you home, boy.
Tell you what,
dude.
I'll get some more things done.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Shit out of this damn office.
Yeah, Kyle's over here now. Got back here, moved the rest of my junk that was over here and my stuff upstairs. So just wanted to say thank you for letting me keep it here and do most of my cage here and let me start here for the past couple weeks while I was figuring shit out. So you might come by later and check out the new shop.
Come check out your shop.
Okay, just let me know, bro. I'll be over there. I got to run to Carlos's really quick, but got everything loaded up. Head out. I'll see you later, hopefully.
Yeah, we're parting ways. Hayden's no longer a part of the crew. We hate each other. He's gone forever. Get out of my face, dude.
Bye, Felicia. But yeah, y'all know I did not move him in with his new house. I've seen people have been asking that. I actually haven't lived with him for probably like almost a year or so. I was just renting his garage space. So yeah, that's that for everybody who is super.
Hayden has his women's that he's been staying
Yeah, we've been back with my lady for quite a while now. So for all y'all who are being super nosy and curious, there you go.
There you go, guys.
All right, sounds good, dude. I gotta go move some more shit, and I'll see you later. Thank you.
Yep.
Doesn't look like a lot of stuff, but it is quite a bit of stuff for the RX-7. A bunch of random shit. I actually don't have all my tools over here. I just grabbed my bandsaw from Carlos's. I still have my toolbox and quite a bit of other stuff over there, my belt sander. I still have to go back to Kyle's garage, actually, and grab like my table and a whole bunch of other stuff out of there. So before I got too much stuff in here, actually what I did was I swept this pad here and mopped it with some degreaser over here with the mop. So I'm gonna go ahead, sweep the rest of the shop and then mop it, because I don't know, it's kind of weird. Like if you've never been like this concrete is like really slippery already just because it's so smooth. Like it has like a whole bunch of dust all over it. As you can kind of see, like I'm wiping it off. So it's like this thin little, probably from when they patched this door over here, probably a whole bunch of drywall dust all over it. So like it coats the floor and makes it super slippery. Gonna go ahead, sweep it and mop it really quick. Once I get that done, I'll probably head out, and tomorrow I'll probably go over to Kyle's old place, I guess now technically, the old Boosted Boys headquarters, and move some of my stuff from over there. So it is the next day. I went ahead and went to Carlos's, grabbed a couple of my things. I didn't get everything because I still have to install the headers on the Galaxy. But I did go to Kyle's today and got most of my stuff out of here. So it looks like a mess. And I mean, it is a mess. I need to go through it today. I was going to go home and just relax because it is Sunday today. But as I was sitting there doing nothing, just kept thinking about how much stuff I got to organize and go through. Like all this stuff. It's just a bunch of RX-7 parts, a bunch of like fab stuff that I don't know if I want to keep or like throw away some stuff. But this is the majority of it. I still got quite a bit of stuff I got to move. So I'm kind of thinking that maybe tomorrow or Wednesday or yeah, I guess it just really depends on when I get this Mustang finished. I want to go by Home Depot and get one of those really big like heavy duty storage racks. Put one of those storage racks over here just so I can put like totes and other stuff up here. Another place where I can store some stuff is up in there. I can just I'll probably store stuff that like I'm not going to use for a long time, or if it's stuff that I hardly ever use, probably store it up there. Gonna organize these shelves and go through some of the shit, just like a bunch of nonsense, you know, like a bunch of stuff that like I use, I just haven't used it in forever. So I guess I'll do a little time lapse for you guys, try and get some motivation. I got some coffee. I think I'm gonna put you guys up above the bathroom just so you guys can kind of see what's going on and what I'm doing. So hopefully here in about 45 minutes or so to an hour, it looks a little bit better in here. Still not sure on the setup of how I want to set everything up. I'm thinking this table will stay right and about in here, put my welder over here. I'm not sure, maybe my welding table will go here. I don't know, maybe I'll leave my toolbox over there so that way I'll just be able to take cars and pull them in sideways. So realistically, there'll be probably 3 cars maximum in here. One be my RX-7, and then a customer car here, and another customer car over here. So if I set it up like that, that means I could have my welder right there, just be in front of the actual car. So that might be a little bit better. I'm not really sure. And I also got some shitty news. I guess it's kind of shitty. I measured, there's a hole in the concrete over here, and I measured it. It's only like, it's like 3¼ inches thick. So that is not thick enough for a lift. So I'm gonna have to end up cutting out like a big square for each side of the lift and making it thicker, and then like putting rebar or whatever back in it. So that can be for later. I'm not really too worried about a lift. It'd probably be a couple months before I get a lift anyways, but yeah, just thought I'd let you guys know. Alrighty, so I just got done organizing everything, at least the majority of it. This stuff over here is going to change a little bit. I'm thinking I like how my bandsaw is right here. I just got to figure out if I want to scoot these shelves down more and then put my belt sander over here, or if I want to go ahead and put my belt sander over there. Thinking I'm probably just going to put the belt sander right over here by the bandsaw. Not 100% sure yet, but we'll figure it out once it gets here. All this stuff over here that I put in totes, most of it is interior RX-7 pieces, and like the carpet. I got like the cutout floorboards on the other side. I got the stock seats. If anybody needs some interior pieces, I can sell some of this stuff. Or honestly, if you are dying to find a pair of these black seats for your RX-7 and you have black interior, it's kind of hard to find them with the black interior. These seats aren't all that bad, honestly. So if you, this got a rip right here, and then this one, they're not bad. So if you want them, I'll probably, honestly, I hate dealing with trying to ship stuff, so I might do it for just cheap, you know, like 50 bucks plus shipping for the set if you need it. Let me know down below if you want it, or message me on Instagram at Metigulous. Same with these the doors. So I am gonna be like I told you guys, I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but I'm gonna be taking the actual door panel off and just running a flat piece of sheet metal, and then like this place called LRB Speed makes them. So if you're looking for the door panels in black and whatnot too, let me know. Hopefully, it'd be nice if someone who got the seats also got the door panels. The door panels, if you buy the seats, I'll just throw the door panels in with them. I know it's hard to find that black interior pieces. I don't want to just throw them away. The last interior pieces I took out of this, when I did the rear tubs, no one wanted locally, even for free. And then trying to get them shipped out was just a nightmare, and I didn't want to deal with it. But if someone really needs them or wants them, message me on Instagram. I can get those to you guys. I think that's going to be it though. Kyle was going to come by, but I don't feel like staying later, so he can come by some other time. Other than that, I scaled this wall without a ladder, so I'm like all dirty. That's why I'm a little bit out of breath too, if you're wondering. I jumped up on that thing and pulled myself up there, surprisingly. And then up there too, there's a whole bunch of bulbs. So once I get a ladder, I'm gonna replace some of these bulbs. Like this thing over here looks like it's hurting, so it looks like it's missing. It looks like it's got all 4 bulbs in there, but I don't know why. They just don't seem very bright. So yeah, kind of like the setup. It's not bad. Definitely gonna give me a lot of room. And you know what's funny in my last video, why it was like, is that supposed to be like a joke? And I just realized it said support your local mechanic, drive an Audi. I honestly didn't realize what it meant, but it's honestly kind of funny. I think I might leave it because Audis are junk and they make them a nightmare to work on. So anyways, tomorrow I'm going to be working on the Mustang. If I make some decent progress on that, I will film it. Either way, once I'm finished with it, I will film it. Try and get that project done. And then I got a Civic cage coming in, and then we will go back to working on the RX-7 cage. I hope y'all are excited. I know I'm excited. I got some parts coming. I got some really cool parts already here that I haven't even showed you guys. Anyways, we'll just leave it at that. Thank y'all for watching. Be on the lookout for the next video. Let me know what you guys think of the setup of the shop down below. Let me know if you guys think I should paint it or what I should do. If there's any changes you guys think I should do, let me know down below. There's a million different ways to do stuff. And it's kind of cool to see what other people come up with for ideas of rearranging the shop and whatnot. So let me know what you guys think down below. I'm gonna go home, go to bed, get some sleep. I'll see you in the next video.